Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro for free on PC, Mac, and laptop with a full 14-day trial of the business plan. This will give you full access to all the editing tools and features Premiere Pro offers, ensuring a completely risk-free experience. First, click the link in this video's description. That will take you directly to Adobe's business trial page for Premiere Pro. Once you're there, select the business plan. This will unlock all Premiere Pro's Pro features, plus additional tools for collaboration and team projects. It's the complete version, nothing is limited during the trial. Next, you can choose the plan that works best for you. If you need more flexibility, go for the monthly plan. You can cancel at any time. If you're planning to use Premiere Pro long-term, the yearly plan saves you more money each month. You'll need to log into your Adobe account or create one if you don't have one yet. Adobe will ask for a payment method to begin the trial, but don't worry, you won't be charged if you cancel before the 14 days are up. I recommend setting a reminder so you don't forget, but rest assured, the cancellation process is straightforward and in your control. Once you've signed up, download the Creative Cloud app. Then just find Premiere Pro, hit install, and you're ready to start editing. The whole process is designed to be quick and simple so that you can get to your editing projects without any hassle. And that's it. You now have 2 full weeks to test out Premiere Pro and see if it's the right fit for your video editing projects. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter. You'll get exclusive discount codes, the latest tech news, and early access to updates on the best editing tools. The sign-up link is right below this video. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more software guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with Premiere Pro.